Hey, this is Ryan, and today we're going to continue with a new tutorial series where we will break a monolith application into microservices. And in today's video, we are going to containerize the monolith. To get started, you do need Docker installed as well as AWS CLI. I already have that, so I'm just going to continue to step 2. We're going to download the code from GitHub. So select this link. And I already have my folder created. I will do git clone, copy this link. It's going to download. Next, we need a repository. So find Amazon Elastic Container Registry. Select Get Started. This is going to be private, and we're going to name this API. Create repo. And if you select your repository name, you can view your push commands. So we'll get back to this in a second. Moving on, step 4, we're going to build and push Docker image. So first, we're going to go to our terminal. We want to find this directory. So cd to that, cd into this folder, and services, API. Okay. I know I have AWS version 2. So we have to copy this link. We're just going to connect to our repo. Login succeeded. That worked. We will build an image. Docker build API. We're going to copy this. And I do have Docker running, so make sure you have Docker running in order to get this to work. Okay, now we have to tag it. And lastly, we will push it to our repository. So if you select into your repo, let this finish, and it should populate here in a second. All done, so refresh, and it is populated. Okay, I actually do want to change this tag, so I'm going to delete it. I'm just going to redo this. So delete. Okay, let's redo that. So we're going to delete latest, change that to v1. Okay, now it's changed to v1. I guess that's it for this video. Next, we'll deploy our monolith. So I'll see you in the next video.